Hi, I am Ben Ogze, the CEO, Ben Ogze Cooperative Services. At Ben Ogze Cooperative Services, we write the right copy to the right person at the right time for their business growth. We offer such services as website copywriting, email copywriting, email marketing, and social media marketing. In our website copywriting services, we do not only design the website, we write your homepage, landing page, about page, and contact pages. Our email copywriting services include copies such as welcome email series, win-back email series, abandoned cart email series, pre-product launch email series, and product launch email series. We market your product and services in email service providers such as GetResponse, Mailchimp, and HubSpot. Our social media services are on the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Get our services now for a quick turnaround of your business to making money. Thank you for listening, and God bless you. Bye.